practice make perfect.
Yes,
Right?
and you become better and better. And lie is brother with teeth.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual way, keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Getting the awnings down, guys. There's Mr. Corey and Sir Lenny. Look at how big and beautiful this space looks without the awnings. But unfortunately, we have to have awnings because the rain comes in.
Mommy,
Jackson there.
I feel like we got a new house.
I know, it looks like that.
I know, right? The yard looks different.
Yeah, it's because you can see it.
Okay.
Yeah, say yes, daddy. Say yes, daddy. Sit down and get comfortable. But you look hook up. Nice, Pukums.
Mommy, can I peel another one for me now?
Yes.
Nice, Pukums.
Look at Ozzy learn to eat orange. Did you teach him?
No, I do it like this.
Good job. Who's
Mommy,
so happy?
This is how I do it, Mommy.
It's looking so good. We're almost there. Wow. And there it is. Mr. Corey, you're the best.
Almighty.
It's true, it's true.
Almighty.
You made my dream come true today, sir. So thank you very much. I've wanted to do this for a long time and you made that possible.
And you're definitely getting a good, better view.
A much better view.
From inside you.
Exactly, exactly. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
What go on out here?
Bye.
Mr. Chin, no overwork yourself, you know. Mr. Chin, one to your man, you know, young boy no more, you know. Where overwork yourself for? Where do you make a little ridge? Eh?
So I dig up man.
It was mice, some mice birds. Oh, it's cool.
Like them king of them root here. I'll kill it.
I through the rock ground, you know. It nah get no luxury underneath the earth. Cause everywhere it turn a rock it a turn to.
You see that go around there now?
Yeah, it will, yeah, cause you make the little.
Mom, you do not have a jacket.
Mind you damage the root though, Mr. Chin.
I don't think I'm not take out, see ya? It can tear up around the root.
Eh? I it a choke it? You know, eh?
Look
Yeah.
how fast I am.
Go on. Wow. Jesus.
What is Papa?
Come back again this way.
So much money.
Wow. Wow.
You want some
Upright. You know something like your farm
I
youth?
wanna try.
You have a good farm.
Daddy,
You're
I'm
upright.
Daddy, point it at me.
Never go call your same boat for look for you know. I'm a friend, you know. Huh?
Point it at me.
Alright, come ready.
dig up some of these? Ah, see it? It's a
Yeah.
dumb, you know.
Yeah. MT, me see what go on. Yeah. It just want a nice rainfall now for Christmas and work it in. Operation Renovation has begun. Alright, so we have a little soil. We'll get a new lease on life, man. It's a new lease on life we're gonna get.
Come in. One more.
Operation Save the Logan tree. Right where it is right now.
You have a big Pepsi bottle? And the sun comes up on it and take out all of the moisture.
Oh.
Me say,
Uh-huh.
the tree need comfort like when ladies need comfort.
Okay.
Yeah. Go and talk, I'll talk to it.
Okay.
You they never know. Seem like woman want comfort tree, want comfort to you, go and talk to the tree.
Okay.
You want, not show me something?
Yeah.
Comfort
Talk,
could
they
they?
go look, they go see difference now.
So this coming like a one big comforter we throw up on it now. Bed and everything set up.
So keep it cool and
Oh Father God, deliver restoration and good vibes to this tree and turn around the life of this tree and make it be productive, Father God. Please, Father God, give it the oxygen, give it the nutrients, the nourishment where it need.
what is that?
Give it the strength for the roots to penetrate the ground and seek the water that it will need, Father God. Please, please. Strength for you, Mrs. Logan. Strength for you, Mrs. Logan. Alex, you get wickeder with the cutlass?
Yeah, man. Skills improve.
Skills improve. I got test here.
Yeah, man.
You soon get
Ready,
the
man,
next
ready.
test, pop-up test.
Ready, man.
You at least
Ready for
expect you get the test, you know. You ready for it?
Ready. Yeah.
Over a plan. And then went and got my soil.
Yeah, but
My daddy.
if you look on it good, it look like Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, oh, let me tell you. That's lovely.
So we'll just add wood chips, see there, to the coconut husk, preparing a very a cool environment. Right now the plants supposed to say moving up, like George and Wheezy. Where you find on the ground, Nicole? You see how trouble no set like rain? You have to open your eye, razor blade. What that I do a ground? And as you run and play.
Trust me.
So the ships go.
So where's the soil now? Where's the
The
soil?
soil in the driveway.
Okay, great. Enjoy like chips.
Yeah.
Tommy said to me, say, if you were a literary device, you would be a verb. Cause be action you deal with.
Good.
Now you.
No, sir.
She said that my daddy is a verb.
So we are in for our half-day lockdown and we are just having a very easy day. We are all still in pajamas. These two are plain building blocks. Those are some nice wooden blocks that we have. I think we got them for Christmas. Jax is out here building stuff. Looks like fun.
I'm building a chair.
I love that.
It's not done yet.
Alright. And then I kind of spent the afternoon just kind of cooking some food. So yeah, not much to report. We're waiting for the evening to come down to till some soil and get that project going too. Here's a lasagna I made for either today's dinner or tomorrow. We have curry chicken in the fridge too.
Okay guys, first day of 12 p.m. So that's afternoon lockdown. And we in the household, we take time and mad little. But you don't know, we give thanks for the time that we get to spend with family. So today we had a tech-free hour where everybody had to put away devices. We just ramp and play and use the traditional, the original ways of human interaction, speaking and those things. Felt awkward, but we got through it.
How many times did we reach our phone though, right?
Yes,
Easy, just show it to you.
Yeah. But yeah, it was a don't know, good day so far. You don't know, we're locked down for the whole day tomorrow as well. So those of you who are in the world and free to roam, Jamaica is a different scenario right now. We're taking it very serious, the threat of COVID out there. So that's how we think that we're locked down until Monday morning at 5 a.m. Alright? So you know all of the road to them are get crazy right now. You know them house. Yeah. The lasagna was good, Jax?
I'm still eating,
Yeah?
and I'm glad I am.
Yeah? You loved it?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
I love it.
How do you do?
Tired.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you.
Baby Tami.
Baby time. Let's stay.
I'm good. We have the garden to take on today, okay? I have to do it. And look how God just give us this beautiful overcast day to do it.
Yes, people. And
Perfect.
not gonna lie, the lockdown, it seems sharp on paper, you know, but it feel, wow.
I love it.
Yeah, it's a vibe, but it's just the option that you don't have to
Yeah.
go out, you know what I mean? On
But
a
when
nice,
it's not
nice
an option,
Sunday.
you just say, that's just what it is. This is what you call radical acceptance.
There you
We
go.
don't have to put any meaning to it. We can't move where we are. We can't do anything. We are safe at home. Thank God.
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
Good stuff, brothers playing. Watch your man.
That is looking so big. That look, we're building this. Yeah, we're building Mr. Alligator. And are we already done?
Cool, watch my builders then, man. Contractor, mason, electrician. When they're not done.
Not only two of these. No.
Yes, Pussy?
We're done.
No.
You see what happens when you two work together? Show me.
It's on enough.
Let's see. Which one is it? That one?
Yeah.
Please go and show Daddy.
We made
Oh,
this.
sick.
Daddy, look what we made.
Sick.
We made this. Daddy, look, we made this.
Oh, that's awesome. It's exactly as it is.
I mean,
Perfect.
even made this. It kind of looks like a dragon.
Yeah, I want to see you guys make some more though.
But the wrong thing is that, but there's one thing that's wrong. This is supposed to be on this side, not this side. But it doesn't really matter anyways.
You got in safe. I hope you relax. Momo's profile picture is a daiquiri and a pina colada.
She bad. Well, I know most times she go down, she not call you, you know what go on, she miss we.
She relaxing, that's why. And because I said to her, just try relax your body, man. So she not busy in of herself. So she's just call to check on you.
So MTM fam, you know, we're not left out and not leaving you guys out of anything that happened around here, okay? So we just had to do a full, thorough interrogation of Jackson and Atlas because investigation and interrogation. The interrogation led to further investigation.
Come in.
So apparently they are leading a double life, Atlas in particular. When we go to our beds in the night, they wake up in the morning 4 or 5 o'clock and just have the house to themselves.
Wait, don't say that. I don't mean to laugh.
Them wake up in the morning, have the house to themselves, moving chair, climbing up on things to reach the things that we think is out of reach for them. Right? In the wee hours of the morning, they be like man a yard. Because them know mommy and daddy sleeping and we're not waking up those hours. Right? So, long and short of it, I buy some bubble gum because we're in lockdown. So I say I have to have a little things for them. Go that way. Go that way and play with the things. I go in the fridge and check the bubble gum. I see about 2 left out of about 10.
Why
So
did
I
you
say,
squeeze it on your finger?
how that? Because when I left it there was 8. I just give them 2 yesterday. 8 left in there. No? So anyway, nobody never was admitting. Nobody was admitting that they went into the... Because everything put back neat in the chair, set back. No, very limited clues, right? And breadcrumbs to follow, you know. When we check it out and I start questioning them, Jackson say yes, Atlas throw bubblegum outside in the morning part. When we look at the spot, we did our investigation.
The bubblegum was
The
there.
bubblegum was there.
And then I had Atlas kept saying, it's not me. But you know, you just kind of know. So I took him one side and I said, listen, let's make a plea deal.
Yeah, plea bargain.
If you tell us the truth, I will lessen
The
the
punishment.
punishment. So I will only take away the iPad and you can watch a TV. Right? Because before it was no iPad, no TV. And I had to take him one away, and then he said to me, I did do it. I was just afraid I was going to get in trouble. I said, you are going to get in trouble. This is the trouble you're in. And we had to explain to him why it's so important to tell mommy and daddy the truth. Especially tell everybody the truth, but tell us the truth so we can protect you, because he was very convincing. And it's very, you know, every parent goes through this. We've gone through this with all of the children. Even the big boys, you see, when they were little, we had to go through these things. And it's just curious to know.
Curious to know. Still can talk.
Oh, it's just curious to know how you guys handle these things, you know, because
It is important, to nip certain bad habits, bad traits from early, because as old people say, you can't bend the tree after it done grow big. You see what I'm saying?
And lying is something that, like, you know, we all have to deal with, like I said, with our children at one point or another. And some it's easier to get the message across, and some it's not, you know?
And so with lying people, practice make perfect.
Yes.
Right?
And you become better and better. And lie is brother with teeth.
Lie and teeth is better.
I see that teeth in teeth. I'll explain that to me now. So, how do you handle those things in your home? We are sharing to get some advice on it, but also, morning,
Hi,
Alex. But also to hear how other families deal with it, you know? So no, because we've taken that away from him. They're building something, and we just have to stick to our guns.
And the good deed of the day has come from Jackson. He said, listen guys, Atlas can't use his iPad. I'm going to sacrifice my iPad for the day too, so I can dedicate myself to him and we can play together.
I think that sounds like a half guilty person, but I'm going to leave it at that.
Why, you're shrewd, you know?
Because I
But
don't
it's true,
feel like
though.
he could
It's true.
mastermind it alone. Like when I said that the chair isn't where it's supposed to be, like,
boy.
I mean, Jackson can reach that shelf, no, but it's just because Jackson looked at me and he said, Mom, you know me. You see what I'm like, you know me? But, sir, but the fact that him sacrifice his own laptop, it could be two things. We know he's a good, genuine soul, but it also means he may have been an accomplice.
So the investigation is still going. It could be
To
a
me,
conspiracy.
the only thing that's saving him right now is Atlas went around the corner from where we were, and Jackson said to him, why you thief out the gun, brother? And Atlas said, and then he said, and why didn't you just tell them the truth? Atlas said, I was scared I was going to get in trouble. So that's the only thing that's saving Jackson from a complete investigation.
Yo, MTM just get a full family court. MTM family court.
Alright guys, so we are going to try and get some of this stuff done because we just got to. So let me tell you what we're planning to do today. I'm planning to move the tomatoes because Andrew told me that they needed more space. So I'm going to do that. But we're actually going to be tilling some of this soil. As you know, Dad got us soil yesterday. And we are mixing it together to just kind of bring up back the pots, enrich the soil as it's going to grow in. Bless you. And we should go. No. Out of there. I did not tell you to put that in there. Take it out. Oh, Jesus. So we're just taking on, we're just taking on a couple pots today. Nothing crazy.
Alright. So may I get the soil and then I got to first till the soil, eh?
Yeah, and mix it up.
You ever hear them say till the soil?
And I'm wearing gloves for anybody who's asking because the nails. What kind of garden is?
At gardening. Millennial gardening, you know?
Oh my gosh, I'm recording right now. It's not Dad or Alex or Mom. It's me. So, Dad, I missed the head for a bit.
Do you think this is the beginning of baby Kalaloo?
Well,
Is it the beginning?
Oh my God. Do you think that's the beginning of baby Kalaloo? Like, is that baby Kalaloo? Or is it something else in the soil? I don't know what to look for.
I
The
hope
farmer
it's
them
baby.
can tell we how this
my
look.
God. Look at this one.
But it
that
looks
has
very
Kalaloo.
consistent,
And look
right?
at this one that has Kalaloo too. Look.
Same thing happening?
Yes. Baby Kalaloo. When you see it.
Wow.
Baby Kalaloo.
You know, say I must eat though.
It must be, right? Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. shoots. Oh my god. Look at that. Atlas, come and look.
It's coming out!
Oh my god. The problem is I don't know what it is.
Oh yeah, I think
See,
it's
they
a
sell
fish.
the side of the
I think it was a fish. Mom, I think it was a fish.
Oh my
tail.
god. What about this? Can we ask MTM what they think this might be? This might be the baby pak choy.
Oh, the baby patch.
How much seeds you drop in there?
I don't remember.
So it's not just one seed per.
Oh, sometimes it was a couple.
Okay, well then not
that
that
over.
because
And then
it's
look
it's
over
very
here.
consistent. It's not like it just jumping out of one.
Shoots over here too. I bet you this is a pak choy.
That's a factory.
That look like a pak choy.
Yes.
This, me don't know what it is. Maybe it's the beginning of the okra.
Baby.
Yo, talk to you. With the farmer them in the comment section, please to tell me what's happening here. Because we're not quite sure how them young plant look.
Wow.
And you know them say young bud no storm.
Yes, young farmer, no bud.
Young farmer no can.
We're mainly gonna just work on those beds today. And yeah, that should be good. I'm very excited about that. I just
That is
kinda
so
want you to
cool.
turn this over for me. So like if you just go in and just kind of turn. So we get some of that nice
Moist soil underneath.
soil underneath on top. You can help me over here to pour some of that soil. And people, that is why it is difficult sometimes. Atlas just came and dig up the whole thing. Oh, Father, give me strength. Father, give me strength.
Wait, was this the one with baby color?
Them are alright
Oh,
with
Father,
us.
give me strength.
And them probably hold up through it. Them probably hold
Oh,
up.
Father, give me strength. Putting in some of this fertilizer that Andrew recommended. This is the one. It's called Ferticlus, and we got it from H&L. Daddy went to the Spanish Town. Is that right, Wayne? Spanish Town Road?
Yeah, Spanish town.
Which one? You know which one? I don't know.
Not sure.
But I think that's the only one you can get it at. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But it looks so rich and pretty, so we're just going to mix it in with what we have. All right, Alex, that looks good. Just mix that in for me. MVP today was Alex, who helped me out here today, and you for taking care of the baby once he woke up, and our two little MVPs.